Yeah, it's going to be beautiful out there. So taking a look right now, marine forecast, we do see that we are a little dark this morning, but some of those lights off in the distance showing us visibility still pretty high that way, which is good news for you. Now, we are going to be a little more humid for today. Now, still breezy, so that helps us to feel a little bit cooler. However, it's hotter, it's more humid, and also a little more choppy on the waterways because of the breeziness, right? So we have to exercise caution because of those winds being and gusting up to 15, even 20 miles per hour times. That elevates our Gulf wave heights from 2 to 3 feet. Those current winds right now pretty calm for the most part, but along the coast already looking a little higher at 10 miles per hour. They're going to continue to surge and start gusting heading into the afternoon hours. Right now 70 degrees in downtown Tampa. Visit TampaBay.com sky camera showing us a beautiful picturesque start. 68 for the dew point right now, meaning that it's not disgustingly hot, but it's getting pretty uncomfortable and sticky out there. So a touch humid as we get closer to that 70-degree mark for our dew point. So your hair is going to be frizzling a little bit more today. You're going to feel like it's that air you can wear. As you step outside, though, south of I-4, that's going to be the area that we really feel the hottest, I would say. We feel the warmest temperatures that way. 69 for Sun City Center, 71 right now for MacDill Air Force Base. We see 68 farther east towards Winter Haven, 70 for Sebring. Meanwhile, north of I-4, we actually feel pretty comfortable and cool. Maybe a light little sweatshirt, not a bad idea. 64 for your temperature right now, 68 for Brooksville. But you see all this orange and yellow that we have? That is some of that drier air that's still overhead. Meanwhile, it's like a cake. Think about this setup. The top of the cake is more like that vanilla, more dry, right? The bottom more the chocolate, more of that wetness, or mainly I would say more of that moisture. So you got two different flavors basically going on. So we're dry up above, but we do feel very humid and moist at the surface. So that's going to allow for some patchy fog to pop up and a few couple of clouds, and it makes us feel a little more uncomfortable today with these dew points in the 60s as well. So when that air temperature and also the dew point match, that's when we start to get this patchy fog in some areas, seeing a little bit of it pop up over towards Crystal River and Citrus County, seeing 10s out of 10 though, a little closer to the coast for Sarasota and St. Pete. That patchy fog, if you see any of it on your commute, just watch out. Of course, take it nice and easy, but we'll see it lifts quickly and gives way to tons of sunshine for today. We still see high pressure, definitely in control at this point with highs in the 80s, and all that sunshine leads to this. Highs back up right near 84 degrees for Land O'Lakes, 83 for Bradenton, 86 for Bartow, and tomorrow we'll see more of the same, more temperatures in the 80s, and also seeing that we do see a lot of sunshine. Now, aside from that, we just got to watch the tropics for the first week of November. There could be something forming, but for right now, I'm really liking how this 7-day forecast is looking. It looks gorgeous. So we do see with a little more moisture, again, the layers of the cake, we have more of that moisture at the surface, so we could see a couple clouds and a 10% chance of rain, otherwise looking dry into the weekend.